Hi beauties, so today I'm going to be doing a full face holiday glam look using Fenty Beauty. I'm really loving this vibe we're getting here. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you did so by clicking subscribe down below. You don't want to miss another video from moi. I'm just kidding. If you like my videos, please subscribe though. And click the little and click the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's get into the video. Let's get our Fenty on, okay? So I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty primer. This is the Pro Filter primer. It's really nice. Primer is pretty nice. That's what I'm using to prime my face. I actually got this baby one as a sample, 100 point per cut Sephora. I did my brows already. These are not Fenty brows. We don't have Fenty brows yet. So I'm going to now start applying foundation. I'm going to use the Pro Filter foundation. It's supposed to shake this one. And I am going to be using the shade 420, if you ask me. So I'm just gonna apply this. Just gonna pounce that into my face. It's actually time for my snack. I'm not sure if I want peanut butter and apples or turkey with mustard, like a slice of turkey. Those are my options. I'm actually going to use a little bit of foundation to carve out my the top part of my brow, because I already carved at the bottom, but I use foundation for the top. Oh. Whoa. Next, I'm going to be using the filter sticks, and these are called matchsticks actually. I don't know why I said filter sticks. I'm going to start out with Latte. So you're supposed to warm this up on the back of your hand first, and then you go in with it under your eye. I like to work right away with these because they are like a drier formula. I'm just going to blend that in. I'm going to do the other side. And just push that into your skin. I'm gonna add some here, my nose, here, my chin, and my forehead. Then I'm gonna go in with these other ones. I have truffle and I have espresso. So I like to take truffle for my nose and just do this part with it because it's not as deep. And also I like to do it on my forehead because it's a very subtle definition. Then I take espresso and I add one of that here, one shot. Then we add 2 shots here, and then we add a double shot down here, and then one right here. I'm gonna start blending. I'm gonna blend the concealer out first, that way I don't go mixing everything up all in one time and create a muddy mess. Once that is blended, I'm gonna start blending the deeper shades. Start with my nose because it's lighter. Truffle is a little bit lighter. And then I'm gonna use the back to blend this out. I'm gonna blend right here. Blend, blend, blend. And then we're gonna blend right here. So I'm going to prime my eyelid with Latte. I actually have the Fenty primer for eyes, but I have no clue where it is. So we're gonna use Latte. So I'm gonna start the eye makeup with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. I haven't used this in a minute since I got it, I think. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. Just gonna start applying that in the crease. And we're gonna blend this Alright, so that's the first color. Next, I'm going to take some of this color right here. It's called called Fez Up. I'm going to take this brush and start applying that right over in the corner. And then bring that down a little bit. I'm gonna blend these two together. I really don't know why I decided to wear a sweater to film this video because I'm starting to feel hot now. It's like too late to take it off because I'm gonna get it dirty. I take this concealer brush and just add a little bit of concealer over some of the shadow because I want to apply a different, more shimmery shade down here. So next I'm taking the Galaxy palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here first. I sprayed it because I know there's a lot of fallout if I don't, so I don't want that. Put this beautiful shade right here. Next I'm going to take this shade right here. Back to Morocco we go. And I'm going to take the same deep purple plum shade and we're just going to add some more here. For my lower lash, I'm going to take this shade right here. And then for the inner corner, I am going to use this pink shade right here. So I'm done with the palettes and we're just going to apply some mascara and eyeliner. So now I'm going to use the fly liner. So I'm just going to wing it out here. Like that. Then I'm going to go this way. I'm going to use this caviar stick in the shade Tuxedo from Laura Mercier to line my lower lash line. Alright, so next I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Sangria Sunset Kilowatt, or yeah, this one. I'm going to take the purple shade and I'm going to apply a little bit of that right here. So next I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use this shade right here called Hustler Baby. Whoa. Whoa. I forgot how pigmented this was. Moving on to the lips, we have a few options and I didn't really plan this out. I'm not sure what color I want to use. I think I'm going to use Shoddy, which is a brown. Yeah, I'm going to use this color called Griselda. It's a very dark burgundy shade, but I'm going to line my lips first. It's easier and I just feel more comfortable doing that. Next I'm going to take Griselda. I think I want to use Griselda, you guys. I'm so indecisive right now. Like, I'm low-key looking at this lipstick in Unveil and I'm like, should I use Unveil? But I think I'm going to go with Griselda because it's a little bit different. It's not the usual for me. I'm going to add a little bit of Gloss Bomb to this, the original, because I'm just obsessed. I'm loving it. It's giving me holiday. I'm really loving it. This is my Fenty holiday face, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up.